All right, so for today's lesson, we are multiplying monomials. Yesterday, we were finding the power of a monomial. So we had an exponent outside the parentheses like this. We don't have that today. So we're multiplying monomials. So to do that, I'll just put multiplying monomials. So first, you're going to multiply the numbers together, like normal. And then second, you're going to add the exponents of the variables. So even though you're multiplying, when it comes to multiplying with exponents, you actually add them together, okay? So you're going to add the exponents of the variables. So let me do this example here to show you what I'm talking about. So first we're going to do the numbers, 7 times 4. And why are we multiplying? Because there are parentheses, and parentheses in math means to multiply. So this is 7 times 4, which is 28. And then we have y times y. So that's y to the first times y to the first. And what do we do with those exponents? We add them. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is actually 28y squared. Okay? So you multiply the numbers, but you add the exponents of your variables. And that's it for today. You'll have some practice problems and then your exit ticket and then an IXL skill to get more practice.